So as I informed earlier, there are 4 persons who is working in a company. One is accountant, another one is clerk, another one is manager, and fourth one sales executive. So we can see the question. 10,000 is the salary for what? A1. Like that, 10,000 for A2, 10,000 for A3, 10,000 for A4, 10,000 for A5. Why? Because 5 account person is there getting 10,000 as a salary. This is set of ordered pair. Set of ordered pairs. Next, there are 4 clerks getting the salary as 25,000. C1. Clerk 1, 25,000, clerk 2, 25,000, clerk 3, 25,000, clerk 4. Since there is 4 clerk is there. Next, 50,000 for manager. 50,000 for manager. There are 3 managers are there in that company. M1, 50,000 for manager 2 and 50,000 for manager 3. And finally 1 lakh for sales executive. Take it as E. They are given E. Okay, the respective letters is given in that. For accountant, A1, A2, A3 and A4, A5 is given. Clerk, C1, C2, C3 and C4 is given. Since it is 4 clerk and 3 managers are there, M1, M2 and M3, they are getting 50,000 as a salary. Next, sales executive, 2 sales executive are there. They are getting 1 lakh as a pay. That is E1 and another 1 lakh for E2. E2. So don't put the comma here, since it will make a confusion to separate the 1,000 and the lakh. Okay, here only you have to put comma. It will be clear for you. So this is the set of ordered pairs for getting different kinds of salary for different types of workers. Different type of workers. 4 types of workers are there: account, clerk, manager and sales executive. Account has taken as A1 to A5. So that's why 5 person is getting 10,000 as a salary. Next, clerk, 4 clerks are there. 4 clerks is getting 25,000 as a salary. 3 managers are there. They are getting 50,000 as a salary. And then executive, 2 executives are there. They are getting 1 lakh as salary. So this is the answer for first one, set of ordered pairs to make this. In that, one more question is asked, arrow diagram, that is B, arrow diagram. So how we can represent the same thing in a arrow diagram? How we can represent the same details in a arrow diagram? As usual, I told that one of the symbol we can write that as a parabola symbol. Okay, to write all these 4 things. Next, so after that, one more terms you have to write that. How we can place them? 4 different salary. Okay, who is getting that? Some different first 10,000. 10,000. Who is getting that? A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. All are getting what? 10,000. So you mark it as still is not enough space. So I write still small A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Okay, all person A1 is getting 10,000, A2 is getting 10,000, A3 is getting 10,000, A4 is getting 10,000 and A5 is getting 10,000. Okay, all the persons is getting what? 10,000. All the accountant. Next second 25,000. Who is getting that? Clerk 1. So C1, C2, C3, C4. What they are getting? 25,000. All are getting 25,000 as a scale. So C1 is getting, C2 is getting, C3 is getting, C4 is getting. So all are getting how much? 25,000. Next third compartment. Manager. 3 managers are there. They are getting 50,000. M1, M2, M3. M1, M2 and M3. All the 3 person is getting what? 50,000 as a scale or salary. 50,000. So link this. 3 person is getting how much? 50,000. And finally, the person who is getting executive E1 and E2. E1 and E2. They are getting 1 lakh. They are getting 1 lakh. So link that E1 as well as an E2. So these both person is getting how much? 1 lakh as a salary. This is called as a arrow diagram. Arrow diagram. Set of ordered pair. There is no calculation at all in this sum. Only things, the question is more than 5 or 6 lines is there. So don't think that, hesitate that, oh, the question is still big. How can possible to write? If you understand a small concept, this will be very, very easy to take out the ordered pairs as well as what? Arrow diagram. Nothing is calculation here. Okay, by seeing the question, don't blink that the sum will be big. Just you have to arrange it in set of order as well as in arrow diagram. Very, very easiest concept in this term. Okay, so up to this, the second concept of relation is over. In first chapter, relation concept will be over. Next division is called as a function. What is called? Function. Generally, when we call as a function, there is some action will be present. Okay, then it is called as a function. Okay, anga function, in the function, anga marriage function, reception function, birthday function, like that we can tell that. Okay, when you go to certain place, we wait for certain time, the function will not start. You will ask them when the function will be started. Till 10 minutes more, 5 minutes more. You will ask them when the function is start. அது செயல் வடிவத்தில் கொண்டு வரது. மேரேஜ் எப்போ ஆரம்பிக்க போகுது, பர்த்டே கேக்கு எப்போ வெட்ட போகிறீங்க, நம்ம அரை மணி நேரம் முன்னாடி போய் உட்காந்துருந்தா கூட நம்ம அந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன் எத்தனை மணிக்கு ஆரம்பிக்குதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு ரூல்ஸ் இருக்குது. இன்விடேஷனில் போட்டாலும் சரி, இல்லை விசிட்டிங் கார்டில் அவங்க கொடுத்தாலும் சரி, அதர்வைஸ் டைரெக்டாக அவங்க சொன்னாலும் சரி, நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், கொஞ்சம் அந்த மாற்றங்கள் இருக்கும். Like that, next chapter we will follow, that is called as a function. What is that? Function. Another division is called as a function. So based on this function, we can call it in different terms. One-to-one function, many-to-one function, identity function. So each have some different concept. Each have some different concept. We proceed on further based on the sums. Okay. So function na enna, the datas கொடுத்துருக்கிறதுல எப்படி வந்து அது எக்ஸிக்யூட் ஆகுது. இப்போ பர்த்டே ஃபங்க்ஷனில் போயிட்டு ஒருத்தர் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, கேக்கை வாங்கி வந்து ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு போட்டிருந்தா தான் அந்த பர்த்டே நம்ம மேக்ஸிமம் என்ன பண்ணுவோம், நம்புவோம். புரியுதா? அங்கே போயிட்டு ஒரு மேலோ ஒரு ஃபீமேல் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, தாலி கட்டினா என்னது இது மேரேஜ் நடக்கிற இடத்துல போய் பர்த்டே ஃபங்க்ஷன் சொல்கிறாங்க, நம்ம நம்புவோமா? நம்ப மாட்டோம். ஸோ ரிலேட்டட் டு த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் வாட் தி ஆர் கிவன், ரிலேட்டட் டு த ஃபங்க்ஷன் வாட் வி ஆர் கிவன், நம்ம எந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்ன அங்கே ஃபங்க்ஷன் நடக்குதுன்னு தெரிஞ்சாதான் அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகே, மேரேஜ் ஃபங்க்ஷனாலும் சரி, பர்த்டே ஃபங்க்ஷனாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, அதோட டைம் டியூரேஷன் பொறுத்து, அதோட மெம்பர்ஸ் போகக்கூடிய வேயை பொறுத்து, வே ஆஃப் ட்ரெஸ்ஸிங் கூட லைக் தட். ஓகே, ஒரு துக்கமான நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு நம்ம ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் சொன்னால் நம்ம அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி நம்ம போவோமா? போக மாட்டோம். மேக்கப்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு போவோமா? போக மாட்டோம். ஓகே, ஸோ வி ஹாவ் டு ஃபார்ம் by the way of different function. ஓகே, ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்காது. ஸோ 1-to-1 ஃபங்க்ஷன் அப்படின்னா இந்த மாதிரி ஒவ்வொரு நம்பரும் ஒவ்வொரு எலிமெண்ட்டுக்கு போகும். அதுக்கு பேர் தான் 1. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஐ எம் டெல்லிங் திட். ஓகே, 1 2 3 1 3 4 அப்படின்னு போட்டு ஒவ்வொன்றுத்துக்கும் ஒன்று போச்சுன்னா அது 1-to-1 ஃபங்க்ஷன். 1-to-1 ஃபங்க்ஷன். சப்போஸ் I am putting like 1 2 3 4 5 6 இந்த மாதிரி போட்டிருக்கேன். ஸோ இப்போ என்ன ஆகும், எல்லாமே ஒரே இதுக்கு போகும். many to one function.